Here's the question. Can you really make $1,000 a month with AI side hustles? The answer is yes, but only if you follow a proven blueprint. In this video, I'll break down step by step how to build an AI-powered side hustle that brings in at least $1,000 a month. No coding needed. No massive startup budget. Just smart moves and the right tools. Step 1. Pick a problem, not a tool. Most people start with, which AI tool should I use? That's the wrong question. You don't get paid for using ChatGPT. You get paid for solving problems. Start by looking at industries that are slow to adapt. Local businesses, content creators, online coaches. Find a gap. Maybe real estate agents who struggle to write listings. Maybe podcasters who don't repurpose their content. Once you have the problem, you match the tool. That's the foundation of a profitable hustle. Step 2. Choose the right hustle model. To hit $1,000 a month, you need a business model that scales. Here are 3 simple ones. Micro SaaS, tiny software solving one niche pain point. Charge $10.30 per user. 50-100 customers, E1,000. AI service agency, repurpose content, run chatbots, automate workflows. 5 clients at $200 a month each equals 1,000. Digital products, templates, guides, or personalized tools. Sell 40 items at $25 each equals 1,000. Pick one model and stick to it until it's consistent. Step 3. Validate before you build. This is where 90% of people fail. They spend weeks building something, only to find no one wants it. You need validation. Post in niche forums. Run polls on LinkedIn. Offer a pre-sale at a discount. For example, would you pay $30 for a tool that rewrites your CV for any job application? If 10 people buy before you build, you're onto something real. Validation saves time. Validation saves energy. Validation creates confidence. Step 4. Use AI as leverage, not a crutch. Here's a big trap. People try to replace themselves with AI entirely. It doesn't work. AI should amplify your skills, not replace them. If you're offering video repurposing, don't just dump files into a tool. Add editing polish. Add brand voice. Add human touch. That's how you stand out. That's how you justify charging premium prices. Step 5. Automate and systemize. Once you get your first clients or customers, you'll be tempted to stay in hustle mode. Don't. The only way to scale is to build systems. Use Zapier, Make, or Airtable to connect tools. Set up AI to handle first drafts. Document your workflow so you can hand parts off later. Remember, hustle gets you started. Systems keep you going. Step 6. Price for value, not effort. This is the difference between making $200 a month and $1,000 a month. Most people undercharge. If your service saves someone 20 hours a month, that's not worth $20. That's worth hundreds. Don't be afraid to charge $200, $300, or more per client. The right people will pay, and you'll need fewer clients to hit your goal. Step 7. Focus on consistency over perfection. Here's the last piece. You won't hit $1,000 in week 1, and that's okay. What matters is consistent action. Posting offers. Reaching out to potential clients. Delivering quality. Improving step by step. Most people quit at 10 tries. The winners push through to 50. That's where the compounding kicks in. So let me ask you this. If you had to pick just one model, SaaS, services, or digital products, which would you choose to hit $1,000 a month? Drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to hear your take. Here's the truth. $1,000 a month with AI isn't some dream. It's a blueprint. Pick a problem. Choose a model. Validate early. Automate smartly. Price for value. Stay consistent. Do that, and you'll separate yourself from the 99% who fail. Your first $1,000 with AI is closer than you think.